Thank you very much, Adam. Arun, after sales service, this is a big topic because so many cars or a significant number of EVs are being imported from abroad. Not necessarily from the direct dealers, but from China, from Korea, from Europe, even before the involvement of EVs 10 years or 7 years ago with the dealers. You are preparing and making sure that the dealers and the sub-dealers and the service centers, not only in the UAE but elsewhere, are well equipped with the equipment and with the knowledge, technical knowledge, which is very evolving in the EV space. So how can you tell us, how are you helping those dealers basically in achieving those things? Being well equipped and getting the right knowledge for the dealers and the sub-dealers or the secondary service centers for EVs.
Great. It's a great part to be here as part of DaTo, one of the most leading automotive and equipment tools manufacturer from Ireland. What we have always focused is to care with the latest technological trend that's happening in the automotive industry. And we are present here since the last 2 decades. Post 2021, we have put our special focus in understanding the new evolution of the automobile industry, especially about the EV change, the shift to EV vehicles from the ICE engines. So when we consider UAE has started to go more sustainable and has increased the number of vehicles in a rapid growth. We expect to see that more than 20% growth year by year is coming in the UAE. So in addition to the new technological advancements, enhancements and the comforts of technology we see on modern day cars and so many brands of vehicles coming in, plus the charging network, the charging, different concepts of charging, speed of charging, safety of charging, all the subject comes into it. I think the ecosystem will be complete with a very good aftermarket service solutions, where DaTo has identified that we have the great scope and good commitment to render this technical support to the industry. So, as we have been notified from Mr. Sal, there is 2 categories here, one on the OEM level, the direct brand dealerships, and the aftermarket segment. Now, the number of cars, it's coming hundreds and thousands of cars year by year. The vehicles need to be maintained properly and safely and to meet the standards of the manufacturer recommendation. This needs advanced technology tools for aftermarket, and we need to update and educate or rather train the normal technicians who are available in the industry, and those numbers are quite at large. But during the past 2-3 years of our interactions with the garage owners and the OEM dealerships in UAE and in other GCC countries where we are predominantly present, we feel everybody is positive. They are considering this aspect to be highly welcoming. They all want to be equipped with high technology, especially with the ADAS systems, the sophisticated diagnostic systems, and also the dealers. They are also welcoming this concept. The reason is, when a person like myself or yourself, when we look forward to buy a car, the concept is, okay, like after 8 years or 10 years, the battery warranty is depleted and this car is no more of use, or I'm not going to have a value on my car, so my asset is going down. No, this will be well apprehended by the after sales market. Why? The battery will be regenerated. It will not be obsolete. It will always keep regenerated. It will be keeping updated and upgraded. So always you can have your premium value on your car. This gives more of buying confidence to the normal public. This means it is enhanced sales mobility. This means it is more sustainability. And that is where I think we will put our major focus. The secondary or equivalently, we always give close training programs for all our customers free of cost from our side for the product lines, so that we make sure they are always practicing the correct procedure of undertaking the services. Plus, we also give them full training on the rescue measures if in case of an unfortunate circumstances that would happen. So most of the service centers we have designed and handed over, we have made it complete with the solution of training and the safety measures.
Thank you. Thank you.
DaTo EV, your trusted partner for EV tools.